What a beautiful place to transfer our train, huh?
And a beautiful day in paradise.
It's just a dream being here on the Riviera, the French Riviera in Nice. And even the train ride across the French Riviera is so pleasant. And I think we've told you this many times, it's unbelievable. It costs $1. We're gonna go like a 35-40 minute ride up north, up towards Monaco, about halfway, and it's $1. We get a free transfer. This is the transfer point. Have you ever seen a transfer point for the subway ride as beautiful as this? This is called the Port of Nice. It's also called Point Olympia, but look at the beauty. I don't think there's any doubt about it.
This is the best.
Donald and Rodilly are coming back to Nice again. You got to stay in Nice because it's right in the center of the Riviera, and you got the buses and the trams.
Yes.
They're like $1, and you can go up and down the coast so easily. It's quite beautiful. But we're definitely coming back. Okay, so we are going on our most ambitious
Day of the day.
adventure of the trip. This is day number 8 out of 30, but I really think this may be the best. We're going to see the Villa
Wow.
Rothschild, the mansion and the gardens, and then hike around the beautiful Cape Ferrat.
Oh, wow.
And that's not even the halfway point. There's so much more to go. We go to the ballet tonight. Oh, what a day. We go up the stairs here, we catch our transfer bus. And that's only about 2 blocks away. We feel like we live here now. We know all the buses, the trams. We're starting to meet people every day. They're so friendly in the bakery, the boulangerie. We're talking to people who go there. Okay, like we said, this is our favorite boulangerie. We have been here for 5 days in a row. There goes our tram up the Riviera, and we just met this amazing couple of people. This is
Jack Torres.
Jacqueline, and this is
Sydney.
oh, wonderful. And Jacqueline is an artist. She gave me her card here. She's quite an artist. We'd love to see her work. What kind of art do you do?
I do monumental sculpture in ceramic and mylars.
Oh, you know, we just went to the my Italian is so bad, but the Cimitero Monumentale, and it's some of the best sculptures I think anywhere. The cemetery in Milan, and we saw so many beautiful sculptures. Have you been or heard of that?
Well, I know of it, and actually there's an extraordinary cemetery as well in Paris.
Oh.
Père Lachaise, where some of the most extraordinary sculptures have been made in the past.
Oh,
and
my.
it's like the Cimitero Monumentale Italiano.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? Some of the best outdoor sculptures are in the cemeteries, huh?
Great place to visit.
Yeah. For an artist, you make a lot of money, right?
I sure do.
Yeah, good. She's very rich. Okay, thanks for talking. We're making friends. That's the pleasure of traveling 30 days plus at a time. You can go slow. And you meet people and be friendly. Everyone's so friendly everywhere you go. Don't be afraid to take time and talk to the local people. Okay, our bus is right over there. We will see you up at the Rothschild Mansion and Gardens. Here we go. Vámonos.
Ciao.
That's one of the friendly gendarmes, the police. They are out in force today. It's so reassuring. Unlike America, law means something in the foreign countries. Here in Europe and even Mexico, The police are respected. And you see the police presence.
Smiling at me too.
Yeah, you see the police presence everywhere. And it's just reassuring. In America, you know, defund the police. That's why we want to get out to Europe. We don't like to disrespect the law.
Yeah.
We feel safe. In Europe, in Mexico even. It's a wonderful thing. Here's the line for our next bus. There's about, there's 10 or 15 people. And since the line is long here, that means the bus is probably coming very soon. That's not it. Oh, it's behind 607. It's not this bus, it's the next. But it always happens this way. The trams and the buses, whoa. Got up close and personal. Here's our bus here. See, it goes to Monaco. And what's it cost? Well, this one's free because it's a transfer. But the buses are $1. I can't get over how cheap it is. Okay, so we get on the 607 and we will soon be on the Mediterranean and hiking and seeing the mansion Rothschild. What a day we have. That was an amazing free bus ride. It was a free transfer. Actually, we paid $1 for the entire bus ride up here. Oh, here's another one. The buses run very frequently. And you know, almost anywhere in the French Riviera, you get off the bus, you get off at the transfer, it's a beautiful place, but look, it's almost impossible to take a bad camera shot of the French Riviera, even at the bus stop. Look over here at the mansions on the hillside. We're walking down into the city over here. I think it's called Saint-Jean. And we are going to try to find the Rothschild Chateau and the gardens. But we're a little bit lost right now. We'll figure it out. Okay, we're going over here. We're going to see what happens. That's the 15 bus. We could have taken that one for free. It's a free transfer, but we'd rather walk the 15 minutes and we'll just take a chance. We'd rather walk than ride the free bus that just went past. Why?
It's a nice walk.
Because we would have missed this. You think, what? What's this? It's a parking thing. This is the most beautiful parking spot on the French Riviera. I could live here. Look at this. But
Nice.
we're awarding this the best parking garage on the French Riviera. What a place to park your car.
It's $1 million parking.
The $1 million parking spot. I could live on the parking spot easily. Across the water there, it's called Villefranche, which we like, maybe #1 of all the Riviera towns. Villefranche. We almost like it better than Monaco, to tell you the truth. It's just so beautiful, and it's not so cluttered as Monaco.
Yeah.
Villefranche, our favorite spot on the Riviera. Yeah, we're very aware. Most people think that Donald and Rodelia are crazy. Crazy. We could have ridden the 15 bus for free. It's just part of the transfer process. But we decided to walk instead on this road. And he's doing even better. He's biking. That should be us. I'd rather bike this thing. But look at these houses there, these mansions. And you think, oh, that's pretty neat, but you don't know what it's looking at. There's the bus we could have ridden right there, but we decided,
Walk.
we're so stupid. We decided to walk. No one does that, no tourists. We don't see any tourists back here. But look at the view this way. Come on. Why would you get on the bus? You can walk and see this kind of stuff. Oh, we're walking out there. It's called Cape Ferrat. We're gonna walk a couple of 3, 4, or 5 miles. I don't know. We'll see how far we get, right?
Amazing view.
All right. Are you getting tired yet?
No.
No, not Donald and Rodelia. We love to walk. Come on, people. Get off those tour groups. Get off those tour boats. Get out and walk. And you start to see things like this. It's called adventure travel.
Yeah, absolutely.
Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. The turquoise. See that turquoise patches? Aqua turquoise. How beautiful. The water's so crystal clear. You can see right through it like glass. Oh, we could linger here for a long time, but we've got even better things to see. The Rothschild. The villa is just up here, about 10 more minutes. We gotta walk. Let's go. We did it, and we timed it perfectly.
Exactly 10.
10 a.m. We were here at 9:50. We were the first people to buy tickets today at the Rothschild Villa. Here it is. It's the Pink Mansion, the Pink Chateau. It was built by the Baroness Rothschild back around 1907. And she was filthy, stinking rich, as you might guess. And she bought the most beautiful spot on the French Riviera.
Wow.
Look at
That's
this.
amazing.
This is the view from her front yard. Oh my.
What a view.
And
And
the Baroness Rothschild, when she died, she had no heirs. All that money.
right.
And guess what she did? She gave the gardens and the chateau to the French people.
Oh my god.
And it has become public property, and you can tour it for just about 15 euro. Look at these are the poor people at the bottom here. She's looking down on them, the swimming pools, the cypresses. Look at the garden behind that house. Imagine the view they have from those Mediterranean fronts. Oh, look at this mansion over here. But these are the poor folk at the bottom. The Baroness. Yes, she was crazy about gardens. And there are 9 gardens on the grounds here. We are incredibly excited because we've seen it said, and we've heard people in Nice, the French locals, they tell us this is possibly the most beautiful place on the entire French Riviera.